In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove an object from a photo without installing any application from your phone. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. If you have a perfect picture of your and you want to upload that picture on different social media platforms, but the problem with that picture is that there is a small object or a person in the background and you want to remove that but you do not want to install any application, then what you have to do is to open your internet browser. Click on the search bar and in the search bar type object remover. Now click on the second link, the in paint. Scroll down and click on upload image option. Now select the image from which you want to remove the object and then perfectly select the object or the person that you want to remove from your photo. Once you have done that, click on this erase option. Now wait for a few moments. And as you can see that the object has been perfectly removed from your photo. In this way, you can perfectly remove an object or someone from your photo for absolutely free. So that was it for this video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.